says to me, it looks like you've gained some weight. You only get that kind of honesty from family. Well, Uncle Joe's getting plastered, Aunt Martha's getting mad. Same old cousin Doug, same old jokes, same old bad. Mama has to keep reminding me, son, they're family. A few new babies, the same old crazy. I've known them my whole life and they still amaze me. I didn't choose them, but I hate to lose them, 'cause you gotta love them, they're family. Cousin Linda showed up with her new sweetheart. I had to laugh when Daddy whispered, fifth time might be the charm. And there's her brother Lester, Linda said he just flew in, all the way from way out yonder. We're still not sure about him, but different as we are, it's good to be a family. A few new babies, the same old crazies. I've known them my whole life and they still amaze me. I didn't choose them, wouldn't wanna lose them. You gotta love them, man, the family. When Mama said the blessing, she was fighting back with tears, 'cause the last time we were all together, Grandpa was here and she knew how proud he'd be and how much he'd love to see a few new babies, the same old crazies. I've known them my whole life and they still amaze